Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to send a document for signature on DocuSign. Sending a document for signature in DocuSign is actually a pretty straightforward process once you know where the buttons are hiding in plain sight. First, open DocuSign, choose Start, then Envelopes, then send an envelope, upload your document from your computer, or just drag and drop it if you're the type who enjoys doing things the easy way. Next, add your recipient by entering their name and email address, and you can add multiple people or even include yourself if you also need to sign. After that, customize the email subject and message so it doesn't look like a robotic legal robot sent it. Then move on to placing signing fields by dragging and dropping signature, date, or initial boxes directly onto the document, assigning each field to the correct person. Once everything looks good, preview the document to make sure nothing is floating in the wrong place like a lost sticky note. Then hit send, the system emails it out automatically, and you can track its progress as each person signs, which feels oddly satisfying like watching a group project finally finish itself without drama. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.